Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic World toy review. So today we'll be looking at the new 2020 Sauropelta figure from Jurassic World's new Mattel lineup. And this figure in particular is personally one of my favorites. It's got a beautiful color scheme and some really nice detailing on it. The spines protruding out of its back are rubbery, and it's got head articulation along with its neck too. It's somewhat on a ball joint, so you can turn it side to side, and the front legs you can sprawl out, and they're also hinged, and along with the back legs, but they're a little bit harder to turn. And to control the mechanism, you just hold it from its back end, and you'll wiggle its tail back and forth, causing its spikes to thrash around. Now this is a very interesting action feature that I feel a lot of people overlook. They find it weird, and just the fact that it doesn't really do much in terms of attacking, and the way you hold it is kind of awkward too if you're attacking something else. But I really enjoy it because the stabbing motion really simulates what this dinosaur would use for defense, and it's very unique. You don't really see anything else in the toy line that has this kind of action feature where it wiggles side to side with its large spines. So this Ankylosaur is quite unique having this feature in it. Along with that, like I said, the details are quite well done on the face and head sculpt, and they even put blotches of red along the sides, and they painted the scales on the front arms. So it's nice to see that they're actually putting these extra details instead of just leaving it one solid color. This dinosaur is quite small, like compared to the Mini sculpt. It's not much larger. And this is the new Mini that just came out, which it shares a very similar paint job too, like the white spines and plates and then the red color. So that's pretty interesting. And then compared to a human figure, it's not that tall. I was expecting the figure to be a little bit larger when I first saw it released on the internet, but these Nodosaur Ankylosaurs are pretty small in general, so it's not too far off from its actual size. And then compared to the Ankylosaurus, again, it's a lot smaller. But I do love the fact that they're releasing more different species and variations of like Nodosaur, Ankylosaurs, and more obscure species. And in my other videos, I've included the scan code, so might as well just throw it in now. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Leave a like and a comment if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.